This 2021 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire CR33BHB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a tan interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.